You think that this is support and this is resistance.
Nah, that's why you are losing money in trading. But what about this if I can tell you that support and resistance is not just drawing a line on a chart in a 2025 anymore. It's a game of psychology, liquidity, and traps. So watch the video till the end, in which I will show you how the top 1% of trader can use the support and resistance for sniper entries, while the rest of the trader can lose money. So first of all, you need to understand support and resistance. What is support? Support is actually a zone, an area in a chart where the price tends to stop falling anymore. While resistance is the same, is a zone, a area in the chart where the price is tends to stop rising anymore. Actually, the support and resistance are zones, a area in a chart where the price is moving up and down. Like, I mean, think of them as a invisible wall built by buyers and sellers in the chart. But here is what most traders can mess up. They can just draw lines in a chart and they can expect that it can work perfectly. And you know what? The real traders can never draw lines on a chart. They can draw zones in a chart because the price can never respect thin air, I mean thin line. The price can respect zones, areas where the order can be staked. So in 2025, the smart trader don't just draw the lines on a chart and wait. They can combine the support and resistance with volume zone, liquidity pool, break and retest setups. Like, I mean, for example, let's say if price can break the support and then come back to retest. So that's where pros can enter short. And if price can break the resistance with low volume, then remember this is a fake breakout, because if you can see the volume is too much low, then this is a trade which is making by large institution and whales, because they want to make money. So for that purpose they can make fake breakouts. So don't chase it. There are some mistakes which most of the beginners trader can do, and also some intermediate traders can do it. The first one, they can draw multiple lines, multiple trend lines on their chart, which can make the chart too complex for them, and because of that they are confused and have no idea what are they doing with their trades. The second big mistake is that they can always believe that the support is always hold on, and no big institution or big whales can break it out and collect the orders. Like, they are believing that support is always hold. They have no idea that the market is changing over a period of time. Third mistake they're gonna make it is that they can trade blindly. I mean, they can trade without contest. In trading, price action, volume, trend are very important, and they can avoid it. They can skip it, and they're gonna trade. So because of that, they can also lose the money in trading. So bro, trading is not a one night success. If you think that I can follow some pro trader and he can give me suggestion, and and he can give me some signals, so I can also make profits, bro, don't do this. Don't follow some pro traders. Always make your own strategy and avoid these mistakes. If you can't avoid it, you can always lose money, because trading is not a simple game. It's a completely psychological game. If you can't understand the psychology, you can always lose money. Now here are some solutions which you must need to know about it and follow it. The first one is always use the support and resistance for higher time frames, like, I mean, 4 hour 1 day chart. Don't use the support and resistance in a lower time frame, I mean 5 to 15 minute chart, because the 5 to 15 minute charts is a lower time frame charts, and in which the price is moving up and down very in a very high speed. So you need a big move. So always draw the support and resistance in a higher time frame, not a lower time frame. The lower time frames is actually only for entries, not for finding the trends. So make sure use the support and resistance for finding the trends, and for entry always use the lower time frame. The second point is that always wait for the confirmation. Like, sometime the market can break the support or resistance, so you need to wait for the confirmation. If you can't wait for the confirmation, you will always trap in the fake breakouts, and I don't want you that you can trap in the fake breakouts. Always wait for the confirmation. The last point is that combine the support and resistance with trend line, order blocks, and some indicators like VWAIT. I mean, in trading, each and everyone has their own role. I mean, indicator has their own role, the trend line has their own role, support resistance has their own role. And if you can use all of these in your trading, then your chances of success in trading is greater. So bro, if you still thinking that we just draw lines on a trading chart and we think that this is support and resistance and we can always win the trade, so bro, this is not 2019 that you can just draw lines on the chart and think that this is support and resistance. In 2025, support and resistance is completely psychology of the trading. So I hope you guys gonna get some value from my video. So like the video and subscribe my YouTube channel if you are new here, and comment me, please comment me if you have any question, then comment me that I can make a video on it. Thank you so much. Best of luck.